All right, my guy Krew, tell us about the helicopter tour.
That was amazing.
We just got back from the helicopter ride and it was next level. Britt and I both said, how do you continue on your day after seeing those views and like being in a helicopter? We're gonna have to talk to Krew and see what he has to say about the helicopter ride because we did it as a surprise for him and he was so pumped to go. But Britt's coming in. What do you have to say about the helicopter ride?
It's like, I peaked. That's the coolest thing I've ever done.
I was in the back.
I was nervous, but I made Krew hold my hand because I needed someone to hold my hand. I was very nervous.
I couldn't be there for her, but Krew was.
It was so cool, you guys. And it was so cute to hear Krew like over the headset.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. And see his little face. He was just like, and he kept pointing at like the cars and like the ocean and stuff. It was the peak of my existence, honestly.
So fun.
And it was so cool to see like the island we live on from above, to see like things that we'd never seen. There were like things carved in the grass for people that like are in the plains above and like.
Oh yeah,
like that.
I got a
So
video
cool.
of the aloha. All right, my guy Krew, tell us about the helicopter tour.
That was amazing.
What was your favorite part about it?
I liked it from the flying, from the view.
You liked the view? What were some cool things that you saw?
I love the cars driving.
You love the cars driving. That was so fun. Was it scary at all?
I was getting sick on the turn.
You were getting sick on the turns? What about your helicopter? Which one flies better?
I think my blue one.
This guy right here?
Yeah.
This guy flies a little bit better. Huh. It flies a little bit better.
No, they so better.
So much better. I can't believe we took that on the helicopter.
The hour done.
I know this is completely unrelated, but Britt just is about to make 4 sourdough loaves.
4th sourdough loaf of the day, you guys.
She's a baker.
I own my own baking shop now.
So excited about it.
Brittany's Bakes.
So what's going on this week?
Well, this week, what are we doing this week? Thanksgiving. We're actually hosting Friendsgiving, you guys.
It's gonna be wild.
This is our first time ever hosting a Friendsgiving. Don't come over 11, it's so hot. So we're gonna be hosting 11 adults and 7 kids. And our house isn't huge, so we're gonna hope for good weather because we're doing it outside, and we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned for next week.